MX Fuel compact tower light is nice because it's portable. You can carry it to your work area and push a button and it's on.
We can use the pack out, put it on wheels, move it around to where we have to go. We don't have to drag out 100 foot of cord, find a power source. We can just take our MX Fuel batteries, plug them in. We got hours of lighting.
It's brighter, it covers a bigger area.
You can use it for the whole space versus just a task. I didn't think it was to be that bright and last that long.
We got a couple days of 2.5 hours out of the batteries before we had to recharge them.
You have one battery system for multiple tools. We can go from a light to a vibrator to our saws. We've used it in hot weather, we've used it in cold weather. It lives up to the Milwaukee name. It's tough, it's powerful, it can take a beating. The MX Fuel compact tower light, it's portable, easy to move around, quick to set up, and sheds off plenty of light for whatever tasks I'm doing.